This is the Blue List. Number 1 is gum. You can't chew gum in the classroom. Number 2 is pen. Take out your pen to grade the test. Number 3 is nut. The squirrel buried a nut under the tree. Number 4 is gas. I need to get gas for my car on the way home. Number 5 is tub. I filled the tub with bubbles to take a bubble bath. Number 6 is pin. I ripped my sleeve, so I used a pin to hold it together. Number 7 is tip. The tip of the dry erase marker was broken, so I threw it away. Number 8 is gift. I got a gift for my birthday from Miss Anderson. Number 9 is pant. A dog will pant if it's hot. Number 10 is noon. Third graders eat lunch at noon.